Hi, my name's Rebecca Stadler. Welcome to this week's Pirate Fight Club. This week and next week, I want to do something to follow up from my Preventing Intellectual Property Pitfalls series. So we had an entire conversation about prevent this, protect that. So if you're a small or medium-sized enterprise and you're wondering about other people's intellectual property, you need to be cognizant and mindful of what they have and to not step on their intellectual property. So prevent this type of intellectual property infringement, and then protect that. What do you have that might be protectable? So from that standpoint, there are two aspects. We can talk about what to do if you are on the receiving end of a cease and desist letter for intellectual property infringement, or if you do have some intellectual property that is being infringed. So for the first part of that, we will talk about what to do if you receive a cease and desist letter. In the trademark world, take a look at what the other side is claiming that you're infringing. Is your trademark close to what their trademark is? And is there a likelihood of confusion? If you do receive that cease and desist letter, you need to take it seriously and most likely speak to an attorney to see where you stand on that front. And the same is true in the patent world. If you receive a cease and desist letter, then you're going to want to take it seriously and analyze your invention and compare it to the issued claims. Again, you'll probably need to speak to an attorney. And the copyright world is the same. See whether you're infringing somebody else's copyright, or if you've used their copyrighted image or work of art in any form, see if you've infringed that. And if you have, then you're going to have to respond to that cease and desist letter. So it's fairly serious. Don't just ignore these things. I hope that you never do receive anything like this, but if you do, I strongly recommend speaking to an intellectual property attorney.